Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Girardi, CEO of ProEst, and welcome to Tech Talk. This month we're talking about estimator productivity. We've implemented new functionality and I'm going to come down here to Estimate Center and show you exactly where it is. So how are we tracking how much time it takes to create, review, submit estimates? The key to building our project pipeline. I'm going to click on List View, and then you're going to see right over here, Estimate Hours. All right, so we are tracking on a per estimate basis how many hours it took to create, review, and submit that estimate. How many hours you're basically spending in the estimate. All right, you'll see it's tracked when I do a grouping, any type of grouping like group by status. I'm even getting totals for that. Right, so for all of my opportunities, a little over 13 hours for this data example. My active projects, 455 hours I have logged as hours that were spent within each estimate. Okay, to turn this on, come up to the System Settings menu, go to Company Setup. I'm going to open in a new tab so I can show you where this is. Go over to Layout, and one of the layout options is Estimate Center, and we just need to add the Estimate Hours column to our layout. You could determine what size that width is and what order it goes in terms of your estimate center. Okay, as soon as you do that, that field is going to be here on the screen. It's still calculating even if it's not displayed, but now you have the ability in real time as you open estimates, do work on estimates, exactly how many hours are tracked. And this is for all users. So if you have half a dozen people working on the same project, you're going to see the total accumulation of all of those hours. Really important data so that you could plan accordingly for new projects that are coming up. Also, along with this functionality, there's a couple of new reports I want to show you. So two in particular under the Estimate Center folder, Estimate Hours and Estimate Hours per user. So for Estimate Hours, I can come in here and put in a date range. And quickly get, like I just put in Q1 of 2021, and I quickly found out how many hours were spent and what estimates they were spent in. So this is a great report to show you by date range how many hours. And we can also go down, to determine within our pre-con department, how many people do we have and what has the productivity been within that department. So in this case, you'll see I have two different estimators. How many estimate hours did Jeff spend this month or this quarter versus Jacob? So again, really valuable data with the end goal of giving you the ability to see exactly how much time you're spending on each estimate so you can plan accordingly and start to build that project pipeline. That's it for this month's Tech Talk. I do appreciate you being a ProEst client, and we'll see you next month. Take care.